Holla at your partner, spit this game in your ear for a minute.
This episode is brought to you by Essentia.one. If you're tired of running around the internet looking for high yield in the DeFi space, visit Essentia.one for more details on how you can yield farm multiple DeFi projects from one dashboard. Essentia is also offering a lending and borrowing program where you use their ESS token as collateral to borrow major tokens like Link, ETH, SNX, and more. Major announcement for the project coming tomorrow. Visit Essentia.one today.
This my two Satoshis, this my two Satoshis. Who need 2 cents when they can get double from stacking Toshis? Yeah, this my two Satoshis.
Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone's doing well. And shout out to Ken Riley for the song request. Stupid Fruity Loud Pack. Thanks for the song. Produced by Nick Speed. Detroit stand up. What's going on, people? Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be looking at Moneygram. XRP, man, I'm telling you guys, you should have just listened to CB, Crypto Damus, got rid of your XRP. XRP is wreaking havoc all over the crypto industry. Now Moneygram is feeling the pain. They're feeling the pain. We'll take a look at this one, man. It looks like Moneygram is in trouble because of XRP. Allegedly misleading investors about XRP. Not too good for them, man, unfortunately. We'll take a look at that out of CoinDesk. And I will have to say, though, it looks like Ripple Labs is coming out with a private blockchain for banks. Now, this, guys, will probably work. This is what they should have done all along. This is what they knew they should have done all along. That's why I don't respect the Ripple Lab gang, because they misled not only Moneygram, they misled the token holders as well. That maybe I'll cover tomorrow, but I wanted to just bring that up because I thought about that. I just saw that news come out as well. So we'll take a look at that. But also we've got out of CNBC, major Chinese Bitcoin mining hub is shutting down. Why? We need to take a look at this. Is something shifting? Are they going to dump all their Bitcoins? What type of price impact will this have on Bitcoin? I don't think it's going to have any fundamental impact, but it could have a short-term price impact. So we'll take a look at that. And then lastly, you might not, yes, you see this correctly. I know you saw the thumbnail. You might not have to tell the IRS about your Bitcoin. I'm going to explain exactly why and what type of scenario that will be for you to do that or not do that. All right, all that coming up on today's episode of My Two Satoshis. Before we start, if you guys find these types of videos informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. And yes, don't forget, before we get started, my crew, EOS Detroit, is doing a giveaway, a Street Fighter NFT giveaway. That's this Friday. 10 winners, one day. Make sure you guys participate because we are giving away 10 NFTs, and they're going to be broken down like this. 5 of them are going to be from the first mint cards. All right, 3 from standard packs and 2 ultimate packs. So take advantage of this in the description of this video for that link to take advantage of this potential winning situation for you. It's a giveaway, 10 winners, one day. We already got a couple hundred people that have signed up, but it's going to be picked all at random. So make sure you guys check that out. Let's take a look at the heat map. We're all green today. Unlike yesterday, we are making some moves back up. It looks like $50,700 for Bitcoin. It is up 6% today. Ethereum is up 7%. It's trading at $1,590. Pretty much everything is up. The ones that are in the deep green, though, are coins like Link, Theta. EOS is kind of not deep green, but it's getting there. Atom is up pretty big. That's Cosmos. It's up 15% today. That's huge. And Wax P, 9 cents. That's where we're actually doing our Street Fighter giveaways on the Wax blockchain. It's really coming up on the game when it comes to NFTs. You need to take a look at Wax if you haven't. So that is up big time right now, guys. All right. And so what I'm seeing on the 1 hour is basically this simple ABC. So this is, this is our wave up. And then when you take a rest before making another move up, you usually have what's called an ABC formation. So this is A, this is B, this is C. All right, and then this starts the new wave that takes us higher than this last high. So that may be the case. We'll have to see. That's where I think we are. But unfortunately on the day chart, it doesn't show up as well. As you guys can see, you really can't see it like that. All right, but That's what I'm seeing on 1 hour. 1 hour is a reputable time frame to take a look at what's going on in the crypto or any market, to be honest with you. So that's where we are. But let's take a look at this first one out of CNBC, because this was interesting to me. Why would a Chinese mining group be shutting down when you should be making money hands over fists at this point? I know the difficulty rate hasn't caught up with where the price is in Bitcoin. What is going on? Well, it looks like China's Inner Mongolia region plans to ban new cryptocurrency mining projects and shut down existing ones. Wow. Activity in a bid to cut down on energy consuming operations. Interesting. Bitcoin mining consumes an estimated 128.8 terawatts per hour per year of energy, more than entire countries such as Ukraine and Argentina. And so this is a concern long term for me. Unless we start seeing a lot of renewable energy, something, I don't know what would change, but the path we're going, there is going to be an issue with this energy consumption with Bitcoin. Like, we're so early in the game, you already got countries shutting it down because it's just using too much energy, too much wattage. So Inner Mongolia alone accounts for about 8% of all Bitcoin mining globally, more than the United States, which accounts for 7.2%. And China accounts for about 65% of all Bitcoin mining globally. You heard that right. We want to talk about centralized. Bring that point up to people who want to talk about other blockchains. That's centralized this, centralized that. Look at that. Most of your mining power comes out of China, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to Bitcoin. Now, is that a huge issue? Not really. Let's say they all colluded together, all the miners in China, to take over the network, which at this point, if they all colluded, they could. All right, 65%. All you need is 51% to make a 51% attack on the blockchain. So, but let's say they do that. You know, it's not the end of the world. Things can be done. We can see, meaning we, the public, can see which miners are starting to pull their resources together to make something like that happen. We had a scare like that about a year and a half or two ago when Bitcoin, two entities actually were getting close or had approached 51% in mining hash power. So it's not the end of the world, but it's something to definitely keep in mind. I don't know, man. This is definitely an issue with Bitcoin that we need to, pay attention to and just make sure we figure out ways to make this a less energy intensive thing on the grid for countries and other people. And the second article is out of Decrypt Media. This was a good one here. You might not have to tell the IRS about the Bitcoins that you purchased. So in a clarification to the crypto tax question front and center of the IRS 1040 form, remember a couple years ago, they added that to the tax form. The U.S. Tax Office said it's not interested in certain types of crypto purchases. So what kind of purchases are they not interested in? Well, you don't have to tell the IRS about your Bitcoin purchases if you use US dollars. But if you bought Bitcoin with stable coins, Uncle Sam still wants to know. Wow. So that kind of lets you know why, in my opinion. You guys let me know why you think they don't care about the former scenario and only the latter. I think I know. Let me know in the comments below. The Internal Revenue Service has clarified the U.S. taxpayers do not have to declare financial interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies if they only bought crypto using U.S. dollars. As picked up by the tax software company CoinTracker, the IRS said that taxpayers do not have to answer yes to the new question on the front of the page on 2020 tax mandatory form. At any time during 2020, did you receive, send, sell, exchange, or otherwise acquire any financial interest in any virtual currencies? The IRS said that if you only had transactions involving virtual currencies during the 2020 period or purchases of virtual currencies with real currency, you are not required to answer the question. And the reason is, I'm going to tell you why, is because they already know you purchased. They've got that Coinbase, Kraken, Binance US. All those have been fully compromised, fully cooperating with the IRS, not compromised, fully cooperating with the IRS as they should, as they have to. There, many of them, like Coinbase, are going to be public companies very soon, so you can't have any types of obfuscations of U.S. citizens buying or selling Bitcoin. And so the big thing about this is that, the question in the past, that question appeared to be mandatory. okay, which would be the first time that's ever happened in tax form's history. And on the front page, no less, making it mandatory. So that's kind of good, man. Not forcing you to answer it. However, since crypto companies must keep records of US dollar transactions to prevent money laundering, only buying crypto with US dollars isn't ideal for going off the grid. Yeah, so keep that in mind, guys. And then lastly, we got to take a look at this one. This is just sad, sad, sad right here. Moneygram faces lawsuits for allegedly misleading investors about XRP. Rawson Law Firm believes MoneyGram investors may be entitled to compensation after the SEC alleged XRP is a security. MoneyGram is facing a lawsuit, of course, for allegedly misleading investors about the cryptocurrency XRP, which it has been utilizing in money transfer for some time. So on Tuesday, this law firm has filed a class action lawsuit on behalf of those who bought MoneyGram securities between June 17th of 2019 and February 22nd of this year. The law firm believes these investors may be entitled to compensations after MoneyGram partner Ripple got in hot water with the SEC. The SEC alleged Ripple's sales of XRP were in fact ongoing $1.3 billion sale of unregistered securities. Yikes. How do you think this is going to play out, guys? I mean, looks like a class action lawsuit, so a lot of money is probably at stake here with this one, but I don't know how it's going to pan out. I'm really more concerned about what's going to happen with the SEC. Are they going to go ahead and say, nope, this is a security, you got to give all that money back, blah, blah, blah? I personally think so. I really do. They've got some damning evidence against Ripple. We'll see how they can pay their way out of this. That's ultimately what it's all about, right? Well, that's pretty much it for today, ladies and gents. Shout out to Ken Riley again for the song request. 7 the General, Stupid, Fruity, Loud, Pack, 7 Mile, stand up, baby. If you found this video informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. We out of here. Holla!
Look, she said she wanna